And this is the vessel here. This will accommodate 2.25 gallons. There's the spigot hole. And again, this is new, so I'm kind of ballparking this. These are the fluoride and arsenic reduction elements. Okay. And okay. And here's the pieces right here. The spigots, the elements, and they're going to be right here. Let's cut this guy open. I've been waiting for this for a while. Okay. I've done a lot of research on these filters, and this guy would be the best, in my opinion, would be the best in an emergency situation. Alright, let's see. And there they are, the black filters. This Big Berkey stainless steel housing, upper, lower lid, 2 blackberry filters, and there they are. And these guys are the best. Okay. And we're going to have 2 hole plugs. There they are, right here. 1 knob, which is going to be here, and then we're going to have our spigot right there. You can see that. It says easy to follow assembly instructions when drinking water that's been filtered using a Berkey purifier. You can rest assured that your water is clean and safe for consumption. Black Berkey purifier elements are far more powerful compared to any other competitors. When tested, Berkey water filter elements remove 100% of pathogens, allowing them to be classified as purifiers rather than simply filters. That's good to know. The included 2 white Berkey fluoride filters right here. These guys, they attach to the bottom of the Berkey purifier and hang in the lower chamber, which is going to be somewhere here. I'll figure it out. Berkey fluoride filters reduce the amount of fluoride up to 95%. That's good. They have a lifespan of 1,000 gallons, and each purifier can filter up to 3,000 gallons. The Berkey filter is constructed of high-grade 304 stainless steel and can accommodate up to 4 Berkey purifier elements and 4 fluoride filters. However, only 2 of each are included in this package, so you get 2. Okay.